Welcome to this lecture on data analytics for internal control monitoring. In this session, we'll explore how organizations use data analytics to strengthen internal controls, enhance oversight, and detect potential issues before they escalate into major risks. Data analytics is the science of examining large volumes of data to uncover patterns, relationships, and anomalies. When applied to internal control monitoring, analytics provides continuous insight into how controls are performing and whether transactions align with established policies and expectations. Traditional internal control monitoring relied on periodic manual reviews or sample testing. While useful, those methods often missed hidden trends or irregularities because they analyzed only a small fraction of available data. Data analytics, on the other hand, enables continuous, real-time assessment across 100% of transactions. Let's start with the objectives of using data analytics in internal control monitoring. First, it helps identify anomalies and potential fraud, such as duplicate payments, unauthorized access, or unusual transactions. Second, it supports continuous assurance by monitoring controls on an ongoing basis instead of waiting for quarterly or annual audits. Third, it improves decision-making by providing data-driven insights into process efficiency, compliance, and risk exposure. There are two main types of data analytics used in internal control: descriptive analytics and predictive analytics. Descriptive analytics focuses on what has already happened. It involves analyzing historical data to find patterns and outliers. For example, analyzing expense reports to identify duplicate or excessive claims. Predictive analytics, on the other hand, uses statistical models and machine learning to forecast potential risks or control failures. For instance, it can predict which vendors are more likely to submit fraudulent invoices based on past behaviors. Now, let's discuss how data analytics is applied across different areas of internal control. In financial controls, analytics can monitor journal entries for unusual amounts, timing, or users. It can detect transactions posted outside of business hours, round dollar entries, or recurring manual adjustments, all potential red flags for fraud. In procurement controls, data analytics can identify vendors with duplicate bank accounts, abnormal pricing trends, or invoices that do not match purchase orders. By automating these checks, organizations can prevent errors and detect fraudulent activity early. In payroll, analytics can flag ghost employees, duplicate bank accounts, or pay increases outside approval limits. This ensures payroll integrity and prevents unauthorized payments. In IT and access controls, analytics helps monitor user activity logs to detect unauthorized access attempts, privilege escalations, or dormant accounts being reactivated. Data analytics also supports key risk indicators and key performance indicators (KPIs). KRIs highlight areas of potential concern, such as high levels of control exceptions or late approvals, while KPIs track the effectiveness and efficiency of control processes. Let's look at an example. A global manufacturing company uses data analytics to monitor its accounts payable function. By analyzing all vendor invoices monthly, the system flags any with the same invoice number, amount, and date. When duplicates are detected, they're automatically sent to the finance team for review. This continuous monitoring has reduced duplicate payments by 90% and saved millions annually. Another example is using predictive analytics to identify fraud risks. By analyzing historical data, an organization can build a model that highlights transactions with characteristics similar to previously fraudulent ones, such as round dollar amounts, unusual timing, or lack of supporting documentation. Visualization tools like Power BI, Tableau, and ClickSense help turn complex data into easy-to-understand dashboards. These dashboards allow managers and auditors to track real-time metrics and spot deviations quickly. For example, an internal audit dashboard might display trends in approval delays, exception counts, or error rates by department. This enables proactive risk management instead of reactive problem-solving. To make data analytics effective, organizations must ensure data quality. The information must be accurate, complete, and consistent. Poor quality data can lead to misleading insights. Regular data cleansing, validation, and integration are essential steps. Another key factor is collaboration between departments. Finance, IT, operations, and audit teams should work together to define data sources, design analytic tests, and interpret results. When analytics becomes part of the organization's culture, it enhances transparency and accountability. Continuous monitoring systems combine automation and analytics to provide real-time assurance. These systems automatically flag control failures or unusual trends, reducing the need for manual review. Over time, this transforms internal control from a periodic activity into an ongoing, intelligent process. To summarize, data analytics revolutionizes internal control monitoring by providing deeper insights, broader coverage, and faster detection of anomalies. It enables organizations to move from reactive investigation to proactive prevention. By integrating data analytics into internal audit and control processes, companies can achieve stronger governance, higher efficiency, and greater trust. In our next lecture, we'll discuss continuous auditing, exploring how technology-driven audits use analytics and automation to deliver ongoing assurance and enhance the reliability of financial and operational data. Thank you for joining me in this session on data analytics for internal control monitoring.